Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word chiropractor. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I am going to make an appointment with the chiropractor to help with my back pain. A chiropractor is a healthcare professional who focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of musculoskeletal problems, especially those related to the spine. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.